alaikum. Today I'm going to show you how to make Kashmiri yellow meat or kali or Lyudur syun. It's a very mild curry, aromatic and easy to cook. It's a part of Kashmiri Pandit cuisine. So let's get started. For making this easy and delightful curry, I have taken around 3 teaspoons of fennel seed powder, 1 cinnamon stick, few cloves and 5 to 6 black peppercorns, 2 black cardamoms, 5 to 6 green cardamoms, 1 teaspoon of white cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, it's optional, you can skip it, salt according to your taste, half a teaspoon of black cumin seeds, a pinch of hing or asafetida, a pinch of saffron. It's optional but it gives a good flavor and good mouth feel. It's totally optional in this. 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and 2 tablespoons of milk. One teaspoon of dry ginger powder. And meat I have taken around half a kg. Now I have started heating up meat in a cooker with water, and I will remove the scum. Scum is the dirt that comes to the surface while boiling the meat. So here you can see. So I'll start removing it. I'll keep removing the scum from the surface. So here you can see it's almost clear, all the scum is gone now. I have removed all the scum. Now I'll be adding spices. Spices include fennel seed powder, cinnamon stick, dry ginger powder, black cardamom, green cardamom, cumin seeds, salt, and then I'll cook it up to 2 whistles. After cooking it up to 2 whistles, I'll be adding turmeric powder. Turmeric powder I had not added earlier. You can go through slow cooking method, or if you feel the meat is not tender, you can cook it up to more whistles, 3 or 4. And then I'll be adding milk. So I have added saffron to the milk. As I have already mentioned, saffron is optional but it gives a good flavor. So in 2 tablespoons of milk I have added saffron. And here you can see the color also. Now I'll let it cook for around 20 minutes on low to medium flame, because this was only 80% done. I had cooked it up to 2 whistles only. So I will let it cook for around 20 minutes on low to medium flame. After adding milk, you don't have to cover it with a lid, you have to keep it open so that the milk doesn't curdle. Want to go through slow cooking method, you can just add spices and let it cook on slow flame for around half an hour till meat is tender. Or by this method, you can also use this method. I cooked it almost 80% and then I will let it cook for some more time till it's tender. So I'm yet to add oil. Now in meanwhile I have heated up oil also. When oil is hot, I'll be adding black cumin seeds and hing to it. Then I'll be adding this tadka tempering to the meat. Now I'll be adding this hot oil tempering to meat. So while meat is also cooking, so here you can see. Now I will let it cook for some time till the gravy thickens and the meat is also tender. At this stage you can check the salt also. Now I'll let it cook on medium flame for around 10 minutes with lid open, and then it's ready to be served. It's a very delightful and mild curry. Now it's ready to be served. So here I have dished it out. It's served with rice and it tastes very good. Give this recipe a try. Let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.